Welcome back to box break number 16 in the case of AFL Infinity. This is our last box break for the series. We've also been through a full case break of the NRL strike, so it's been a long process, 28 YouTube videos, so we'll get started with this last one. And straight off the bat, we've pulled a Mark Lacrasse Best and Fairest, and it is actually quite damaged at the bottom of it. Quite a big bend and a crease on it. It's probably the only one of those that I've pulled out like that in all the case, and it's in the last box, so that one will be going back to select. Bit disappointing with that. Next pack. Pulled out our second Best and Fairest, Lenny Hayes. Next packet. All common cards there. Next packet. And we've pulled one in every two boxes. Collingwood Premiership Collection, number 70. And that one is number 34 of 400, slightly lower number, so that's a nice one. Next pack, and it's our final draft pick signature, and it's a tiny little signature on those ones, and it's Tom Lynch from the Gold Coast Suns. Could turn out to be a really good player, Tom, and that's number 202 of 275, so it's a nice draft pick signature. And it's our medal winner for the box, and that's Dane Swan. Next packet. Common cards there. Next packet. And it's our first draft rookie, Jordan Schroeder from the Geelong Cats. And that one is number 69 of 400. That's a different number in the box. I've had three different numbers now in the box. In the case, sorry. Next packet. It's our third Best and Fairest. It's Kieran Jack from the Swans. Now for our final packet of the 16 boxes of AFL Infinity. Long process going through the whole case. Final packet brings us our final insert, which is a draft rookie, and it's numbered 69 on the back, draft rookie number 30. Welcome back to the summary of the cards pulled out of our final box break from the case, box break number 16. Three Best and Fairest cards, Kieran Jack, Lenny Hayes, and also the Mark Lacrasse one, which I'll be sending back to select with some poor damage on the bottom of it. We've got our two draft rookies, draft rookie number 29 from Geelong, and draft rookie number 30 from Hawthorn. Our medal winner is Dane Swan, one per box. Our draft pick signature is draft pick signature number 11, Tommy Lynch, and that is number 202 of 275. And we've also picked up a one in every two boxes Premiership Collection insert, and that one's Collingwood, and that one's a slightly lower number, number 34 of 400. So thanks for watching all of our box breaks, 1 through 16 of this 2011 Select AFL Infinity. Keep an eye out now. We're actually going to do a YouTube video with a product summary of all these cards that we've pulled out. That one will be posted up on YouTube shortly. And also these cards will be for sale in our eBay store starting this Friday, the Gameday Shop, and also for sale in our Gameday Shop's website shop. And also you can have a read about these cards on gamedaytradingcards.com. Also on there you'll find a link to go in the competition to win a box of this 2011 Select AFL Infinity. So once again, thanks very much for watching our YouTube videos, and we'll see you soon. Gamedaytradingcards.com will be giving away a box of this Series 2 AFL Affinity. Just go to www.gamedaytradingcards.com, follow the prompts to join up the Game Day members bar, and you'll receive your ticket in the prize draw. This is going to be drawn on October the 1st on Grand Final Day in our big YouTube event for the AFL. So get yourself in the draw for one of these boxes valued at $185, 36 packs per box. So this is a great opportunity to score yourself a box of this AFL Affinity 2011.